Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Children, now take your EVS companion activity 2B. See the picture. What is given here? What is given here? One girl and her pet. Okay children, one girl and her pet. The girl name is Ria. The girl name is Ria and her pet name is Tuffy. Okay, and her pet name is Tuffy. Okay children, shall we start now? Taking care of pets. How do you think Ria should take care of Tuffy? With the help of pictures, write down what Ria has to do. One is done for you. Okay, what is the first one? Bath Tuffy regularly. What is the first one? Bath Tuffy regularly. What is the second one? Children, we have to consider her pet also like us and give food to eat regularly. Yes? So, Ria taking care of her pet by giving the food. Okay? The second one answer is Ria taking care of her pet by giving the food. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Third one. What is the third one? Ria is playing with Tuffy. Ria is playing with Tuffy. What is the next one? Ria takes her Tuffy to walk. Okay children, Ria takes her Tuffy to walk. Okay children, what is the next one? We should not hurt our pet. We should not hurt our pet. But in this picture, Ria is doing that. But we should not do. Okay, that why in the picture they have given cross symbol. Okay children, that why in the picture they have given cross symbol. So we should not hurt our pet. Okay children, we should not hurt our pet. Okay, last one. Ria express her affection towards Tuffy. Ria express her affection towards Tuffy. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes. Next one is our neighbors. Our neighbors. 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 Neighbors or neighbors. Okay children, what is the spelling for neighbors? What is the spelling for neighbors? N-E-I. Okay, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors. Okay, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors or neighbors. Okay children, everyone of us neighbors, isn't it? Yes, of course, we all have neighbors. What is mean by neighbors? What is mean by neighbors? Neighbors are also our caretakers and well-wishers. Yes, though they are not our family members, they will care us like our family. Suppose when we are celebrating any festival, we care each other by sharing the foods, happiness and things. Okay, sharing the foods, happiness and things. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Children, now it's time for home task. So in the PEP activity, So in the PEP activity, they have given you land map in the same way. You should find out the places which are all nearby you. Okay? Our neighbors. Okay children? Our neighbors. Ria lives in AG colony. Everyone in the neighborhood is celebrating Diwali today. Ria shares sweets with her neighbors and they share their foods with Ria. Okay? Children, shall we do this PEP activity? This is the picture of the place where Ria lives from the clue given. Identify the people who live in each house. Fill in the first letter of the person's name in the empty box outside each house. Okay? What is the first one, children? What is the first one? Ria's house is near New Circle and has lots of tree around it. Okay? Ria's house is near New Circle and has lots of tree around it. Children, where is the New Circle? Find out from the picture. Where is the New Circle? Yes. Hope you all found Ria house. So, we have to write the answer in the red color box. Okay. That is the letter R. Okay children. That is the letter R. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Second one. Shyam lives right opposite Ria's house. Shyam lives right opposite Ria's house. Okay. We found Ria house? No. We found Ria's house? No. Just opposite to it, Shyam home. Okay children, just opposite to it, Shyam home. Hope you all found Shyam home. So we have to write the answer in the red color box. That is the letter yes. Okay, that is the letter yes. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Kumar's house is near the school. Kumar's house is near the school. Okay children, they have given you the clue. What is the clue? The clue is Kumar house is near the school. Kumar house is near the school. Checkout school is given the picture. School in the given picture. Checkout school in the given picture. Now tell me, is there any house? Any house? Yes children. So hope you all found Kumar's house. So we have to write the answer in the red color box. That is letter K. Okay children, that is letter K. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes children. Fourth one, last one. Tina's house is right next to the library. Tina's house is right next to the library. Children, now tell me, is there any house near to the right next to the library? Any house near to the right next to the library? Yeah, it's right now, found now. So, any house? Yes. So, we have to write an answer in the red color box. That is letter T. That is letter T. So, Tina house is right next to the library. Okay children? Children, I hope everyone did correctly. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Shall we move to the next one? Yes children. Next one is the indoor games. Indoor games. I-N-D-O-O-R. Indoor games. G-A-M-E-S. Games. Indoor games. Okay children, what is the spelling for indoor games? I-N-D-O-O-R. G-A-M-E-S, games, indoor games. Okay, children, what is mean by indoor games? What is mean by indoor games? Games which we play inside our home. Okay, games which we play inside our home is called the indoor game. Okay, what are the games? Word building, dice, video game, carom and building blocks. Okay, children, these games are called the indoor games. These games are called the indoor game. Shall we move to the next one? What is mean by outdoor games? What is mean by outdoor games? The games which we play outside. Okay, children, the games which we play outside are called the outdoor games. What are the games? Football, kite, cycling, circle, then seesaw, tennis. Okay, children, basketball, skipping, and last one is the cricket. Okay, children, these games are called the outdoor game. Okay, what are the two types of games? Indoor games and outdoor games. Okay, children, what are the two types of games? Indoor games and outdoor games. Okay, indoor games means games which we play inside our home is called the indoor games. Okay, what is mean by outdoor games? These games are which we play outside is called the outdoor games. Okay, games which we play outside games is called the outdoor game. Okay, children. So, children, as for now we are in pandemic situation. Yes. So, kindly play everything within the boundary of your home. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Children, with whom all like to play? With whom you all like to play? Yes, of course. We all like to play with our friends, isn't it? So, who are all friends? Who are all friends? They can be our school friends, family friends and our nearby friends. Yes? What is mean by nearby friends? Nearby friends is nothing but our neighborhood. You all know what is neighborhood? A particular area where many families live is called neighborhood. Okay, children. Now we are going to see a little girl Ria who has friends in AG colony. Okay, children, look at the screen. There are many families who live in AG colony. Where Ria lives, neighbors or people who live next to each other or in the same building, complex or street. Okay, children, there are many families who live in AG colony. Where Ria lives, neighbors or people who live next to each other or in the same building, complex or street. A particular area where many families live is called a neighborhood. Okay, a particular area where many families live is called a neighborhood. Ria has many friends in AG colony and loves to play games with her friends in the neighborhood. She plays both indoor and outdoor games. For example, a board game is usually played indoor, but you could also play a board game while you go on a picnic. Games like skipping can also be played both indoors and outdoors. Okay, children, shall we start now? Ria has made a list of games she likes. Place a tick below the outdoor games. Okay, children, shall we start now? Yes. Okay. What is the first one? What is the first one? Football. Children, football is an indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, football is the outdoor game. Okay children, football is the outdoor game. Okay, next one, skipping. Skipping is an indoor game or outdoor game? Children, skipping can also be played both indoor game and outdoor game. So, we can consider skipping is an indoor game and outdoor game. Okay, skipping we can consider about indoor game and outdoor game. Okay, both answer is right. Okay children, skipping we can consider about indoor game and outdoor game. Okay, indoor game and outdoor game. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Chess. Chess is an indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, chess is the indoor game. Chess is the indoor game. Children, but you could also play a board game while you go on a picnic. Okay children, but you could also play a board game while you go on the picnic. Shall we move to the next one? Yes children. Next one is javelin throw. Next one is javelin throw. Children, this game is called the javelin throw. Javelin throw is a indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, it is the outdoor game. Okay children, it is the outdoor game. Okay, last one. This is called the long jump. Okay children, this game is called the long jump. It is the indoor game or outdoor game? Yeah, surely long jump is the outdoor game. Okay children, long jump is the outdoor game. Children, I hope everyone did correctly. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes children. Describe other way in which Riya can spend time with our neighbors. Okay children, describe other way in which Riya can spend time with our neighbors. Children, Riya can join in the family tour of our neighbors. Okay, Riya can join in the family tour of our neighbors. Children, I gave you the example. If you have other, then this pen down in your book. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes. One day, Riya finds someone new moving into the house next door. Okay, one day, Riya finds someone new moving into the house next door. She going to have new neighbors. Riya's mother said that people should feel welcome in their new neighborhood. Riya is not sure about this. She is worried about strangers coming to live next door. Okay, so would you like to have new neighbors? Why or why not? Children, imagine now you are in the situation of Riya. What would you like to feel about your neighbors, new neighbors? Take this as the home task and complete your idea within the blanks. Okay children? Okay? I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hand with hand sanitizer, eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Thank you children.